My name is Jannat Taimur and I am from grade 8. Today I am here to tell you about Defense Day. As you all know, Defense Day is celebrated on 6th September in Pakistan. Today we talk about the honors, bravery and the sacrifices of our country armed forces. It is a day to remember and appreciate the sacrifices our country armed forces have made. Thank you.
किसमें हिम्मत है कि हमारी परवाज़ में लाए कमी हम परवाज़ों से नहीं हौसलों से उड़ा करते हैं। जो वतन को बना के चले गए, जो वतन को सजा कर चले गए, हमें याद है।
To talk about Defense Day, the day that creates sacrifices, courages, and unwavering the spirit of our armed forces. On this day in 1965, our forces stand tall and defend our homeland with unparalleled bravery. Thank you. Today is Defense Day, a very special day when we remember the brave soldiers who protected our country. They risked their lives to keep us safe, and we are grateful for their courage. Let us also remember their families who supported them and made big sacrifices too. Let us take a moment to thank them and promise to always stand with our country. Thank you.
My name is Gulezara and I am from grade 2. Today is Defense Day. Defense Day is celebrated on 6 September in Pakistan every year in Pakistan. It is a national day of Pakistan. It is a memorable day in the history of the Pakistan. लगे हुए हैं मुहाज पर मुझे इन सफों में